Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the ice maker in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Open the freezer door and remove the ice bucket. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, fully unthread the lower screw, securing the ice maker to the liner. Loosen the 2 upper screws. With the screws loosened, you can lift the ice maker off of the screws. Lift the tab to disconnect the wire harness to fully remove the old ice maker. Prepare the new ice maker for installation by transferring the ice level arm from the old unit to the new one. Returning to the freezer compartment, connect the wire harness. Align the ice maker on the fill tube as you hook the brackets on the upper screws. Tighten the screws. Thread and tighten the lower screw. Replace the ice bucket. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.